in the north shop. She's finally done. So we got our little center grinder. She comes in handy. Old school Craftsman, she's nice. And then of course the 15-inch drill press, 1 horsepower Sears Craftsman. Comes in handy big time. Air compressor, of course. There's our other center bench, router crafter. Beautiful live center. Here's our mini bench, of course. And this is one of my favorites, the RBI Hawk Precision Scroll Saw. So cool. This is where the other door is going to go. The Humunga roll-up door, commercial style. If you like bandsaws, you'll like Butcher Boys. Here's a Butcher Boy B16 getting ready to get restored. Our table saw that we almost always use every second of the day. 10-inch belt drive, 3 horsepower. Man, she's so beautiful. Can't go wrong with her. One of my favorites. And my favorite is hooking up this little baby right here. We've showed it in many videos. It's the Dado. This is an old school one from Black & Decker and DeWalt. And of course, last but not least, we got our little section over here. This lathe is the AA Rahn Larmon 16 by 78. We hooked it up to a VFD, remember? There's the 2 horsepower bow door and the 3 horsepower 2.2 kilowatt. Let's turn her on for a split second. There's a 1.5 number Sentinel and a 4 Sentinel oiler right there. Let's start her up with the potentiometer, and yeah, inside we got our good old JC restored this beautiful Cushman 12-inch 4-jaw. Cool ass deal there. It's a dead center just chilling inside. We've used it before. JC made the columns with it. Here's another dead center MT4 inside this beautiful, gorgeous lathe. And one of the coolest things is this door over here. It's 7 feet wide by about 8 feet tall, and it's awesome because, yeah, it's on this beautiful little rolling V rail. There's a piece of the V rail right there. It's on the steel wheels, and she just runs beautifully. See this? Just lift up that stake, which is just like this stake here. And she opens up halfway or all the way. Don't throw away your deadbolts because you can reuse them. And she just snaps into play. You lift up right there on that stake. She opens up beautifully. There's full pop. JC made that custom door. It's just like a barn style door, but with a V rail. And the guide rail is this angled stock 2x2. That door is awesome. Oh, hey, a refrigerator door handle. Got reused. And she just locks up so nicely. And of course, lock her up at night. So yeah, this thing's awesome. There's the north shop south door. And here's the north north shop. She's finally done. We just got to get those double doors over there. To the left is going to be an oak door. To the right is going to be this door that you see sitting outside getting work done. It's going to have a glass center. That door is going to go here. And last but not least, the general desk. This thing is awesome. It's probably from the 40s or 50s, but no way of telling. Not yet. We haven't disassembled it yet. So.
A lot of stuff here that you may have seen in the videos already. Check out the Euler video. Check out the video restoring this lathe. There's 4 of them. Remember this anvil right here? JC took a piece of railroad track and turned it into an ASO, an anvil. Anvil-shaped object. South-facing side of the shop. There's the west-facing side of the shop. This is where
the commercial door is going to go. And there's the north side of the shop where the double doors are. The oak door is going to go on the right. This door is going to go on the left.
Got a bunch of cool little 7x7 glass blocks all the way around the shop, amplifying the light.
And there's the north shop. And here's the main man behind the scenes here, just chilling. Chilling in the south shop, the original shop. JC Torres. JC, how you doing?
Fine.
There's JC opening up the door right now that he made. Really cool barn style door. Freaking heavy duty as a mo in the north shop.